Hello friends, welcome to Create Wealth channel. Happy Gauri Ganesha Festival to all. What is Demat account? Demat account stands for Dematerialized account. Dematerialized means storing physical forms digitally. Just like we use savings account for money, we use Demat account for investments. It's electronically storing share certificates digitally. Before Demat account, share certificates used to be shared physically. Handling physical certificates had its own cons. So, in 1996, government opened Demat account. Demat account gets opened in depository company. There are two depository companies for Demat account. First, one is CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited, and second one is Install National Depository Service Limited. This gets opened via broker when we open an account in any broker like Zeroda. Thank you and subscribe Create Wealth channel for more such content.